from Republican to unaffiliated. He says he's not comfortable being a Republican anymore. He says it is a personality cult.
Interesting, Brian Todd. Thanks very much for that report. There's breaking news that's coming up next. President Trump answering Robert Mueller's written questions, but when will he actually hand over the written responses to the special counsel?